Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Willett Vintage Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Willett Furniture is noted for their solid cherry wood furniture in classic and contemporary styles, which became the epitome of Southern house interiors in the 1930s and 1940s. Despite the fact that the company is no longer in operation, collectors and homeowners looking for something with old-school, Southern charm continue to prize their furniture. Willett Furniture was started in Louisville, Kentucky, by two brothers who had been in the lumber industry for several years. Their background in the lumber industry inspired him to start a furniture firm that specialized in cherry and maple wood as the foundation for its products. The corporation went through various different styles throughout the years in an attempt to appeal to shifting consumer trends. The Willett Furniture Company has a long and illustrious history. W.R. Willett and C.H. Willett created the Willett Furniture Company in 1934. The company was so successful in its first 10 years, that by 1946, it had made a profit of $2.6 million, and was regarded the country's greatest producer of cherry and maple wood furniture. The first pieces in the Willett Furniture catalog appear to have been designed in a traditional Southern interior style. Classic characteristics, such as a ropework-style design that featured on table legs and wrapped around the dresses and tables, are often found on Willett furniture from this period. This ropework detail was reminiscent of Empire-style furniture, yet it felt new and exciting to customers. Willett Furniture termed this line Wildwood. Willett Furniture was also produced with darker woods, such as cherry, and was stained in rich, deep finishes. In the 1950s, however, new, less typical designs were also produced. Willett's transitional collection, for example, had more Danish-inspired designs that were popular with young American families. Less ornamentation and clean designs were all the rage at the end of the decade. Willett Furniture followed suit, even changing the Willett logo to reflect the changing times. Willett Home Furnishings. The Willett brothers bought another factory in 1949 with the goal of making kitchen cabinets. The kitchen cabinet industry, however, was not as successful as their regular furniture company, and the factory shuttered in the early 1950s. During the 1960s, the Willett firm continued to struggle, owing to the approaching failure of the kitchen cabinet sector. Willett's company declined, owing to increased competition from other solid cherry manufacturers such as Pennsylvania House, Ethan Allen, and Hardin Furniture. Eventually, the company ran into financial difficulties and was forced to close in the 1960s. Products from the Willett Furniture Company. Willett Furniture Company furniture has become more attractive on the second-hand market over the last 2 decades. Second-hand furniture prices are continuing to grow owing to the persistent appeal of cherry wood and Southern furniture from the 1930s and 1940s. Their larger furniture items, including as tables, matching dining room sets, and chests and dresses, are the most popular. Side tables and other accent pieces are also popular. Buying Willett Furniture, a buyer's guide. If you want to buy Willett Furniture Company products, you'll have to hunt for them in antique shops, second-hand dealers, and other places. If you're looking for anything special, you might be able to find it online or in our used furniture database. Otherwise, you'll have to track out old adverts or catalogs if you can find them. It's worth noting that some Willett Furniture Company products are in higher demand than others on the secondary market. Naturally, this will raise the price of vintage Willett furniture. At the moment, original mid-century designs are frequently considered more popular than imitation designs. This, however, is a question of personal preference. The firm created a range of reproductions based on historical antiques in the 1940s. Many are so skillfully done that they are frequently mistaken for real antiques, until the maker's marks of Willett furniture are uncovered. Willett furniture has stood the test of time, because to its high-quality hardwoods and superb craftsmanship. Overall, unless a piece has been mistreated, Willett furniture tables, Willett furniture dresses, and Willett furniture chairs are likely to be well worth the investment. Willett furniture is also reasonably easy to repair and restore, because the majority of it is built of solid cherry and maple. As a result, a Willett cherry dining table or dresser can be given a new lease on life. Willett Furniture, based in Louisville, Kentucky, produced superb genuine cherry furniture for many years. Willett Furniture has enjoyed a resurgence in popularity among collectors in recent years. Willett's superb solid wood furniture will undoubtedly add value to your home for many years. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.